Welcome back to the VIEZU workshop. I'm James, and today we've got an Audi RS5 on the dyno. We're going to put it on, find out what it's really running, and then we're going to remap it and run it again and see how much we can add to this already exotic Audi RS product. Let's find out. After its first dyno run, we found that it's currently running 452 brake horsepower and 683 Newton meters of torque. But we can do better, so we're going to remap it, run it again, and see what it's producing. So we've run this RS5 on the dyno for a second time with its new remap on it, and it's now running 503 brake horsepower and 794 Newton meters of torque, a vast improvement over stock. In fact, this RS5 is now a true German Autobahn stormer. If you'd like the same treatment for your car, give us a call on 01789 77 4444 or email us info@viezu.com. See you soon.